Top 5 Most Reliable Engines for Long-Term Use. Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something. Engines are the heart of a vehicle, and when you're buying a car, one of the biggest questions is, will it last? Some engines are known for being absolute workhorses, running for hundreds of thousands of miles with just basic maintenance. So today, we're counting down the top 5 most reliable engines for long-term use. These are the engines mechanics love, owners swear by, and that have earned their spot in automotive history. Let's get into it. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Toyota 22R and 22RE engines. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the legendary Toyota 22R and 22RE engines. If you've ever seen an old Toyota pickup or 4Runner from the 80s or early 90s still chugging along, chances are it's powered by one of these. Known for their simple design, cast-iron blocks, and bulletproof reliability, these engines aren't fast, but they'll run forever. People have put over 400,000 miles on them without major rebuilds. They're easy to work on, parts are everywhere, and they can take a beating off-road. A true icon. Honda K-Series. Launched in the early 2000s, the K-Series replaced Honda's beloved B-Series, and it didn't disappoint. Found in Civics, Accords, CR-Vs, and even performance models like the Civic Type R, these engines are famous for lasting well beyond 250,000 miles when maintained. They're efficient, rev-happy, and extremely tunable. Whether you're a daily driver or a car enthusiast, the K-Series has proven to be one of Honda's greatest achievements in reliability. GM LS V8. Introduced in the late 90s, the LS family quickly became legendary. They're compact, powerful, and incredibly durable. You'll find them in everything from Corvettes to pickup trucks and even swapped into classic cars around the world. Why are they so reliable? Simple pushrod design, strong internals, and an aftermarket that makes repairs and upgrades cheap and easy. With proper care, LS engines can easily hit 300,000 miles and still have plenty of life left. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Mercedes-Benz OM617 Diesel. This is one of the toughest engines ever built. Produced from the mid-1970s through the 1980s, it powered cars like the Mercedes 300D. These engines are so overbuilt that many have crossed 500,000 miles without breaking a sweat. They're not quick, in fact they're kind of slow, but they'll run on just about any diesel fuel, they tolerate neglect better than most engines, and they'll keep going long after the body of the car has rusted away. Truly a tank of an engine. Toyota 2JZ Inline 6. Yes, the same engine that powers the legendary Supra, but also found in plenty of Lexus models like the GS300 and SC300. Why is it so good? The 2JZ was massively over-engineered. It has a cast-iron block, a nearly indestructible bottom end, and smooth, balanced power delivery. People have pushed these engines to 800 horsepower on stock internals. That's how tough they are. But even if you never modify it, a stock 2JZ will easily run 300,000 to 400,000 miles with regular oil changes. It's a mix of performance and reliability, which is why it's worshipped by enthusiasts and respected by mechanics worldwide. So to recap, Toyota 22R and 22RE engines, Honda K-Series, GM LS V8, Mercedes-Benz OM617 Diesel, and the mighty Toyota 2JZ. These engines are living proof that good engineering lasts. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a project car, or just love learning about legendary engines, these 5 have earned their place in history. What do you think? Did I miss an engine that deserves to be on this list? Maybe the Honda B-Series or the Ford 300 Inline 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one.